Psychology tricks to outsmart your friends that you should know. But I'll tell you, first up, false scarcity. This trick lets you bypass the other person's ability to think rationally. For example, you tell your friend, an Galaxy S25 Ultra phone is selling for $599, but you have to decide within 10 minutes or someone else will take it. Now what happens? Your friend will act first and think later because there's less time. Basically, you just hijack their decision making for a while, but don't use this trick. I'm telling you so that you don't fall for it yourself. Next, reciprocal concession. This one works by doing someone a favor for no reason, just to make them feel obligated. For example, you throw a party for your friend without them asking, then later you say, "Bro, can you do this for me?" Now, since they're literally holding a pizza you paid for, their brain will start feeling guilty about saying no, and they'll most likely say yes.